Hey, welcome back to Cool Gets Art, and let's draw something pretty simple, and this time it's gonna be the Bendy Plush. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're gonna outline his face first, which is gonna be pretty simple. You can just draw in like almost like a V shape, and then from there we're gonna come down on both sides. It's kind of symmetrical, and just kind of curve it back in and then just connect it. Okay, so that's going to be the face. So in the middle here, let's go ahead and draw in two curves like this. It's going to be the bottom of his eye, and then from those bottom we're going to go up. Okay, just leave a little space there. Again, the Pac-Man shape. So on this side, we're gonna go up, leave a little bit of space, and then the Pac-Man shape. And let me shade it in real quick so we can see. And this is a plush, so when we draw the outside lines later, we don't need to make it so straight. So that actually looks like a plush, right? Okay, so from here now I'm going to draw his mouth. So it's going to be really simple. So it's right underneath the eyes. You can just draw little curves. And then we're going to dip it down, just connect it. And then now just connect this so we can give this some thickness. So now for his teeth, we're going to draw in just a center line. And now we're going to draw some lines across. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's pretty much his face. Now to draw in the rest. So the rest is easy. On the top here, just kind of make like just a crescent shape right above. And this is going to be his horn, so we're going to curve it outwards. Okay, and then we're going to come all the way down and just kind of pinch it, get it closer to the face, all the way to the bottom. So we're going to come in right under there. Okay, so that's going to be his head. So let's move on to the body, and let's see, he's got a bow here. So we'll just draw the center, the knot, and then we're going to flare it out. Okay, and then we can add in some creases here. Alright, so that's simple. So now we can draw his body. His body's just going to be pretty easy, so it's just going to be it's almost like a pear shape. We can just draw two lines like that, and we can finish up the arms first. So his arms are just going to come out. Okay, and then we're going to close this off, and then we're going to draw his glove. And then on the other side, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. Come out, close it off with his glove. Come out, got a big thumb. And then we just going to draw one curve all the way back in. Two lines. All right, very simple and cartoony. All right, so now for his legs. Okay, right in the middle here, you can draw a little line. And then here's the other one, the back of his leg. And now it's not much of a detail here, so just one big clump. It is a plush. So again, come down, his legs. And then another big clump. Imagine back here, we can just draw in two curves, and then it's got the tail. And that's it for this Bendy Plush, and hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.